Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrittanyNichole and I couldn't be more excited about today's video because I am partnering with Kiss Products and Dollar General to bring you their salon quality nails and lashes at home on a budget. So I don't know about you guys, but I love looking at nail art online. I love trendy nail art. I love following nail artists on Instagram. I love seeing when people get their lashes done. I think it's beautiful, but I just don't have the time to go get it done, and more importantly, get them taken off when I'm ready to change up my look. So I end up completely destroying my nails and my lashes when I get that done because I just will not go to the salon to get them removed. So using things at home like the Kiss Mink Effect lashes and nails make application and removal so much easier. You can literally soak these nails off at home, no damage to your nails, and the lashes easily come off. When I show you how to do them, they easily come off by just pulling away at the lashes. There's no salon removal. You can literally do it in the comfort of your home. And in all honesty, I like to change up my look, right? I don't like my lashes to look the exact same every day. If I'm doing a dramatic look, I might want some more dramatic lashes. If I'm doing more of an everyday look like I have on today, I might want more natural lashes. When you're getting lash extensions done at a salon, you're stuck with that look, right? If you have a dramatic look or a natural look, you have one style of lashes that you can wear. With the Kiss Mink Effect lashes, you have a number of lashes to choose from, and the best part about them is they are completely weightless. You guys know, if you've been with me for a while, I have the world's most sensitive eyes. My eyes water very quickly. With these, I genuinely feel like I have nothing on my lashes whatsoever. They're super weightless, but they still give you that beautiful 3D look. Same thing with nails, right? When you're committing to acrylics or gels or no chips, you're supposed to go get those professionally removed with like that, tool or whatever they use. I don't do that. I end up taking them off at home and completely destroying my nails. So using something like Kiss nails, you can easily soak these off at home with no problem, and I can change up my look as often as I want. And the best part about it is they're available at Dollar General, so they're super affordable, and there's a ton of styles to choose from, so you can create a unique look that suits you. So like I said, the holidays are coming up, social gatherings are happening again, but right now I'm kind of in the in-between. So I think Thanksgiving is in a couple of weeks here where I'll probably go full glam, but for today I wanted to keep things simple. So let's start out with my nails. I applied the black short nails and it is so stinking easy, you guys. It took me 10 minutes to literally open the package, lay them out, and select my nails. So what you're gonna wanna do first is you're gonna wanna select each nail. So I just kind of go through and individually select which fits my nail. So I start with the thumb and move on to the index, the middle, and so on and so on. And then once I have all of those laid out, before I go in and glue, I like to just do one more run through to make sure I have everything all set. I actually ended up switching out a couple of my nails as I was going through here. So highly recommend doing that before you commit to gluing. And then before I go in and apply the nails, I like to just take a little bit of acetone and wipe off my nails to make sure there's no residue on my nails. That'll definitely make your nails last a little bit longer. After I take a little bit of acetone, I'll go in and just push my cuticles back. I like to, as I apply my nail, push it just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit into the nail bed so it looks very natural. So I'll push my cuticles back and then I'm ready to apply. So after I've found the correct nail size for each finger, I'll go in and I'll apply the glue to the nail, and then I'll go in and I'll apply my glue to my nail as well. Notice how when I apply the glue to the false nail and then to my natural nail, I'm mostly applying it to the center. That's because when I go in and I press the nail down, down, that glue is gonna spread a little bit, and you don't want it to spread too much outside the nail because it'll gather on the side of the nail. And when you're applying a matte black nail like I am, you really wanna try to avoid that. I made a couple of mistakes as I was going through that you could probably see. So try your very best to keep the glue condensed to the center of the false nail and the center of your nail. So once I'm done with applying my nails, sometimes I'll go in and file, but this shape is super flattering on my nails. I have shorter nail beds and in general shorter nails, so the whole square, oval, squoval, whatever people call them, rounded, square, I'm not sure, they call them a bunch of different names. That's the most flattering on my nails, and this length is perfect for me. I absolutely love it. And the best part about these is they're really thin. I cannot stand when my nails, especially when I'm applying fake nails or getting fake nails done, when they're too thick. It makes it look so fake to me. These genuinely look like your nails, and once they're applied, you can literally walk out the door and go on with your day. But again, highly recommend applying it at night and then going to sleep. But they just look so natural. I absolutely love them. So let's move on to the Kiss Mink Effect lashes. So in general, I'll usually apply my lashes if I want to kind of like pump up my look. And a lot of times, lashes will kind of weigh everything down, right? These Mink Effect lashes are completely weightless. I feel like I have nothing on my eyes, which again is saying a lot because I have some of the world's most sensitive eyes, and these are reusable up to 10 times. And let me tell you, once you apply them and you wear them for a while, they kind of, it's like memory foam, right? It kind of molds to your eye shape, so it's easier and easier to use the next time and the next time and the next time. They're also not free, which is fantastic. So let's go in and apply the Duchess lashes. I love how these just give me the extra oomph I'm looking for in a makeup look, even when I'm wearing a natural makeup look like I am today, right? The first thing I do when I'm applying my lashes is I'll gently remove it from the container, and then I'll apply it to my natural lash line, and that way I can see if I need to trim any, right? I didn't really need to trim any off of this pair, which is great because usually I have to trim off a ton, but if you did have to trim, you always want to trim from the outer corner. And then what you're going to want to do is apply a thin line of adhesive. You do not want to go in with too much glue, otherwise it's going to be a gluey mess, and you're going to want to wait at least 20 seconds for the glue to get tacky before applying. When we are applying, I highly recommend going in with a lash tool or tweezers. It's just a little bit easier than using your natural nails to apply. And you're gonna wanna go in from the center first and apply. That just makes kind of securing down the outer corner and inner corner a little bit easier. I do usually apply a little bit of an extra dot of glue on the outer corner and inner corner as well because they tend to lift. So once you set the lashes down, you're gonna wanna wait about 60 seconds before doing anything. So I just kind of make sure each corner and the center are secured, and you want to make sure that they're secured to your lid and not your natural lashes. That will be very painful to remove, so you want to just get as close to your natural lash line as you possibly can without touching your lashes. Wait 60 seconds and you are good to go. These genuinely make me excited to want to put my makeup on and then go to a social gathering. Like, look at Dame and Belle. How beautiful are these? Imagine like a dramatic makeup look for Thanksgiving or Christmas or Valentine's Day, anything like that. These are beautiful. And then look at these nails, okay? If you wanted nails like this in the past, you would have to go to a nail salon, but you can literally do it from the comfort of your home with the Kiss nails and the lashes. So check out the link in my bio to check out the Kiss Mink Effect lashes and nails available at Dollar General, or pop in the car and drive over to your local store so you can literally get the same look that I have today for a fraction of the cost that you would pay at a salon. So I hope this video was helpful to some of you. As always, let me know if you have any questions down below. Otherwise, if you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. Huge thank you to Dollar General and Kiss again for partnering with me on this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.